Well, I'm joined now by Jaime Abrego. He's the product manager at Elite Screens, and today we're going to spend some time talking about projection systems. And as the name of the company might suggest, we're going to talk about the screens for those projection systems. So, Jaime, how are you doing? Good to see you.
I'm great. Thank you, Mark, for asking.
Talk to me about the benefits of using projection. Obviously it's very flexible, can be used in a lot of different areas, but there are many considerations when it comes to where you put your projection system, right? Ambient light is obviously a big factor. Talk to me about some of those benefits, but then also some of the things that you should be considering when you're looking at using a projection system.
Yes, so the projection screen industry has been growing and has been evolving, and as we start to see, obviously, the technologies from lasers and the smaller form factors, we here at Elite Screens find it very important to assure that the industry has adequate projection screens for those particular two-piece systems, and particularly ambient rooms with lots of ambient light, which cannot be controlled, such as meeting rooms, conference rooms, training facilities, and such. And since we have been following the contrast ratio systems from, I believe, Avix and others, we have been trying to obviously improve the industry and the materials so that you're able to retain contrast and improve the black levels and so forth, so that you're able to combat the typical matte white washout effect that you typically get.
So talk to me a little bit about how has Elite Screens managed to find maybe the right balance, the right materials, the right colors to use to really make the most out of those projection systems?
Yes. So we have developed two screen materials, and one is for ultra short throw and another one for standard throw, and they work differently. Obviously, the ultra short throw, because of the steep way that the projection is shot to the projection material, obviously you're going to need a reflective layer that properly reflects that back to the viewer's eyes. And with that technology, we also embedded an absorbent layer at the top so that I can absorb up to 95% or so of overhead lighting. And then we have a different one for standard throw projectors as well. But that one is angular reflective, so ceiling light and ambient light from the sides as well. Because of the angular reflective technology, it'll reflect or bounce off some of that ambient light as well.
One of the other keys and one of the key benefits for projectors and projection systems is mobility, right? And so, Elite Screens sounds like has a number of different products and things for projection systems that need to be on the go. You want to talk us through some of those solutions?
Yes, so actually we are introducing a brand new product, which is ceiling light rejecting. It's a folding frame design, which allows users to carry it wherever they need to. It's on the go. So it's a folding frame system that utilizes our CLR2 ultra or short throw projection screen material, which has that technology to absorb light from overhead light sources. And we have it in a 103-inch diagonal size and a 123-inch diagonal size. And then we have another one, the Floorizer Pro Cine 4D. And that particular unit is a floor rising manually that you manually pull up. And that one, like I said, uses the Cine 4D angular reflective material for standard throw projectors.
And you talked a little bit about UST or ultra short throw projection systems. Why is the surface so important for that type of projector?
What we did here is embed the technology needed for ultra short throw so that the light reflects properly and makes use of the sawtooth structure that particular material has, like I mentioned, so that the light hitting it from below is reflected back to the viewer's eyes, while the top layer at the top is doing another part and absorbing the light from above.
Well, these screens do make such a difference, right, in that final product. Jaime, thank you so much for taking a minute just to chat with us a little bit about how it all works. We're really looking forward to seeing you at InfoComm here very soon.